Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome if this is your first time on the channel. So, the problem I've got is, when I've been using the Dremel, I've accidentally been pressing that. So, it's only loosening because I've took it all apart, took the whole inside out, and then put the drive shaft in a vise to be able to undo it. But you can only tighten it so much, so I can tighten it and then it slips around. So what I've had to do is order this, the shaft locking mechanism. Just a little, the bit, this bit goes behind your blue button, so when you press it in, it stops the shaft from spinning, so you can then undo it. So you have to undo all these 4 screws, and these are T15. You see that? T15H. Obviously this isn't the first time I've took it apart. So the first time I took it apart, to not have to rip the your label completely off, I ran it the blunt side down of the Stanley knife, and then the sharp side down of the Stanley knife, so it splits the label nice and neat. You get them 4 bolts out, and then give it a little wiggle. Comes apart quite easily like that. So what we're going to be replacing is behind there. So then what we need to do as well is under your bushes, and everything just slides out. Same again on this side. I don't know if it matters which way you put them back in, because I didn't remember which way I took them out and put them in last time, and it still worked. So the bushes, I reckon you can just put in either side. So then the only thing that's holding all this in now is the the clip that goes over your wire. So this just slots out now. Give a little bit of wiggle. What we'll see is don't be pulling it out by this green circuit, because this is flimsy. It's like got 2 little metal prongs that hold it in there. So be careful with that. So all that's taken out for is, see that there? So you've got old one, new one. As you can see the difference with this one. This is the new one. and this is the worn, virtually no pin sticking out of the other side, so you can't tighten the bits in there tight. So get that Dremel, so your blue buttons on the other side, slot that back into there, and they give you a new one of these, but I don't think it really matters. That was still working fine anyway. It's just your little metal band. That back in there. Everything just slots back in nicely. There you go, all back in. Then your side on. What we'll do actually first is just get this clipped back out. Make it, gets everything a bit more solid in there. It's the only thing that holds it in there when it's apart like this. So get that on there. It just clicks back into place. Get your bush. Plop that in there. That bush cap on top of there. And then get your screwdriver ready for this part so you can put it straight on there. One bush on, click this into place, side panel, bush, or is it called a brush? One of the two. Bush cap. Everything back together, and this just slots back on, and then as you're putting it on, all you've got to do is just this wire, the rubber end of the wire cover is a bit annoying, so once you've got that on there, get your clip down. And then just put your four screws back in. With your T15. Now we should be able to tighten the collet properly, not again. But that part cost me £20. So what I've done is you can get these Von Hoos rotary tool, £24. So I thought, instead of keep breaking in the Dremel that's going to cost me £20 to repair, and I've had to keep changing the bits out, the 3 most common bits that I use I'm going to keep in, because I've bought 2 of the Van Hoos rotary tools just off Amazon, $24.99 for the packet, that packet there, or it's 20, basically 19.99, £20 for just the tool on its own. So I thought $4.99, I might as well have all them little attachments as well. I think it's, you get 135 pieces of like all your little drills, a couple of carving bits in there, quite a lot of stuff actually, 6 spare collets. So for the $4.99, I thought why not, eh? So now, solid. So we see if the Dremel still works. Moment of truth, it still works. Lovely. That's how you take your Dremel apart, and if you need to replace your worn down shaft locking pin mechanism, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, help out my channel as it's growing. 38 subscribers now. Woo -woo.